pot bottom. Okay. Good afternoon, boys and girls out there. How you doing? Well, today, Pot Bottom Kitchen represent, and you know we are at the root of we are the mecca, the root of the business. Now today we are in Brooks Kitchen, yes, and you know Pot Bottom taking you all over the island and we're doing our thing. Today Mr. Brooks invited you in the kitchen and we are featuring today potato pudding. Yes. So here we go. Right here, you can notice we have already grated the potato and a little bit of cocoa, minty cocoa, right, Brooks?
Yeah, man.
Minty cocoa, right in that. And you know the coconut, we have 2 native coconuts. So what we do, we already grated the coconut already too. Okay, so we have the coconut milk over here. Okay, that's the milk. We go with the water, and we put about a cupful of the coconut trash. Yes, the kernel, we call it trash. In Jamaica we say trash. Okay, native coconut. So that's where we have it right there now for the moment. So we're going to make a nice potato pudding, potato and cocoa cornmeal pudding. Yeah, and here we go. Got everything more. So here we go, strain off there, coconut milk. Yeah, here we have it. We have the coconut mixture right here. So the coconut juice, as we say, we have a small amount of the coconut kernel inside, which is the trash that we're going to use, alright? Yes, you know, in Pot Bottom Kitchen we don't show away them things, but you know, we're not in Pot Bottom Kitchen, we're in Brooks Kitchen, so giving you a different outlook, a different thing on what's going on. You're not going to work with it, nice and on the work. We say we are in Laughlin Kitchen. We are in Burnett Kitchen, and this is what's taking place in Burnett Kitchen. So the man deal with the thing there proper, dealing with the thing up to the tank. That's the juicing of the coconut. You say man need it like flour. That means that when you need it like that, you get warm. So you get out a lot of the milk, a lot of the cream come out of that. Same need it? Yes. That's how you deal with it. And you know, look a bit of warm water, and we're good. Right. That's all Laughlin have it right there. And there you go. And you say, hallelujah, Ella bottom, Ella top. And why in the middle? Hallelujah in the middle. So that we have tried portray today inside Laughlin Kitchen. Okay. It's all original Jamaican dessert, we said. Jamaican pudding. Okay. So it look like, right? That's how it look like. Yeah, man. A little bit of warm water, you need them out. Okay. But you know, back in the days now, my people them now, this part of the thing, you just need some sugar and some flour, a little bit of cornmeal. I know you make total with this one. That's what the total there. Right. But at the moment now, we are dealing with pudding. And Mr. Laughlin I deal with him pudding. Alright? This is what's taking place. The pudding. That's the coconut milk right there. You know, we make pudding. A slice of pudding, you know, we used to go to school back in the days. A slice of pudding. You have a slice of pudding, you know, so you just want a glass of milk in your lunch pan. And you're up and running. A slice of pudding and a glass of milk or whatever juice you have. good to go. Yeah, man, that's how they have it right this up. We'll talk to you when things start combining, okay? Put all the ingredients together. We'll come back to you and tell you what's going on that. Here we go now. This is the part now we're going to combine the coconut milk. This is the mixture. This is the wet mix part of the pudding. Okay? You have your potato, your sweet potato. Inside it you have your cocoa. Alright? And then you have your coconut milk. Remember again we have the coconut trash inside of that. Okay? So we have that started right there. We need to get them all, yes, all together. But I'm a professional now, so I'm shaking fingers. Put the thing together. It's an expert. He's the expert. I will teach you how to put Miss Morgan. Where's not teach you how to put Miss Morgan? Who teach you how to put? You just. Hey. Okay, so this part of the pudding is the wet mix, guys. As I can tell you again, Pop Bottom Kitchen, you're in, and that's the vanilla right there. Without a doubt, that's the vanilla. Incorporate everything inside of that. Okay? Yeah, man. So, still you have a little salt. You have to put a little salt inside. Yes. And you have the sugar and the cornmeal and all them things. We're not talking about pudding, we're not talking about the joking, we're talking about the real pudding. Yes. So, incorporate sugar inside. Yes. There's almost 2 cups of sugar and put inside it now. Yes. Incorporate that. Give it a mix. Okay. You can find a piece of coconut and you can find a piece of sweet potato, you can find a little piece of, you know, a chunk of probably cocoa or something. That's how you go. That's what it's all about. So we want to tell us now, out there in Pop Bottom Kitchen, to tell us what you think or what you know about pudding. You know, what you know about Jamaican pudding, original pudding, how we bake it. Understand? So with all your comments and your views and your sharing, share with your friends and family. Tell us what's going on. You know, knowing in the town area you can do like what we do in the country area. It's just part of the game. Understand? It's part of the game of how to play. Incorporate a little butter inside of that. Yes. Right. So okay, put the butter now. Yes. So then incorporate the cornmeal next. I think the cornmeal is next. Oh. This is where you incorporate all ingredients, wet and dry, right here. Okay. So you know, from same pot. This one now we're putting a dashi now, big dashi. So you know the dashi all the heat and all that. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna put in a big dash pot. Now this we have a big dash pot here. And that's where it's gonna go right on the fire. Right on top of the fire and deal with it. Yes, so this is like we'll draw the fire, put on top, and we're good to go. Alright, then we have the cornmeal, we have the potato, yes, water, put some more cornmeal in that, yes, you don't want it too dry either, so you know, we work gradually, add things to it, and we move on from this. Tell me what I want. Tell people them something.
It's some quarantine thing, huh?
Okay, this is the weekend dessert because we can't go on road. Okay. Okay. So now, next touch, raisin. Yeah, right there. Raisin inside that. The next star. Yeah, miss. You don't go wrong with that. They say you want the pot full. How many? More the merrier. Boss said you want the pot full. It look like it's on 3/4 right now. So I'm going to create some more ingredients and drop inside. And put it up to par, right? So it now rise a little bit. I don't know if I raise it gently night. Up a little bit still, you know. There you go. Alright, let's put it in there. Right, that's all. So when you talk about, we said burn it. There we go. Mm. I'm going to talk about the cane sugar, brown cane sugar. Very good. So, a bit more vanilla. Alright. That's the mixture, guys. Right there we have it. Potato, a little bit of cocoa, minty. If you have minty, if you have solid cocoa, we don't have no problem. That we are deal with. Incorporate a little more milk in that. Good to go. So this is the genius part now because we know we have a thing we put on top of the pudding. When the pudding almost done cook, we make that now. That make from coconut milk, right? A little sugar and butter, yes? Coconut milk, a little sugar. But so now even butter, so we can use that. Coconut cream. Alright. Mix up the father first, and then you throw that on top. So you go? Alright, so that's the mixture there. Okay. Alright. Oh, look at the raisin in the box there. The raisin. So when you incorporate the what you call that thing now? We have a thing, we have a name what we call that thing now. We put on top. What name again? We have a thing we didn't call it now. We didn't call it Brooks. Yo, listen people, if you don't know what the name of that thing with the pan you put in where soft and sweet, extra sweet. We want to know the name. Because we really forget the name. When me and you use know the name. The custard. The jelly. You have a name, man. You have a Jamaican name, what we call it, man. You have a name, what we call it, man. But, you know, it's just like a custard. Creamy and all that. Okay? So that's where it is right there. So we're going to come back here. Guys, you know, Pop Button Kitchen, if you like it, you got to touch the business and tell us what's going on, okay? Simple and easy. This is where we have it today. And we're making pudding. Yes, from scratch. Jamaican pudding. One slice of this, cup of milk, and you're good to go. So we're going to see what going on with the fire pot. We'll check the fire out, okay? So let's see what's going on. Alright, here we go. So now we are share the heat now. Right as I think the right as now. Okay, we have one for the bottom and one for the top. Oh, hella top, hella bottom. Okay. And the hallelujah going in the middle. So this is how we have it right here. Now the boss gone for the mixture now, put on top of yourself. Okay. Alright, here we go. Here we go, guys. Look at that. That's the mixture right there. Okay? So, Ella bottom, Ella top, hallelujah in the middle. Yes? You notice you see the butter petals on top? Yeah, man. So that's what's going on when you make the pudding. So you have the butter on top of that. So, you will get this bubble up for a while, get the heat through it, and then when the heat go through it, then we cover it, right? And then we're going to draw the fire, take away some of the heat from it, and we're going to start bake. Alright? This have to get some heat under the bottom. You begin to be see it bubble up like that. Boop, boop. Then we draw the fire and put that on top. Okay? This is what it's all about for now. Okay? How it is, right? Okay, the bar said I put a little more salt. Right, put a little more salt in that. Yes.
Up and running, up and running.
Bar said up and running. Cornmeal and potato pudding. So we are saying, make it to eat first and you put it up on top. Or you cover it on one time. This is what's going on, see? That's where it's all happening. Right there. Right. Next baking's total we make. Okay? And the next one are blue jars, right? Like some we're gonna make some blue jars. If you know what you call blue jars, some people say dukuna, some people say boyo. In Portland we say blue jars. Okay, this side of the island we say blue jars. Okay? Now say go Brooks.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna make some blue jars. Next bakings. So here we have it. In a nutshell. Right, that's the thing there. Slowly bake. How long is it going to take? Like 2 hours, right? A good 2 hours, 2-3 hours?
Oh, I'm bored. 20 minutes.
Hour and 20 minutes. Alright, well, so hour and 20 minutes. For hour and 20 minutes done, we'll talk to you. Alright? So this is Papa Kitchen, taking it to you people again. And that's what it's all about. Brick's Kitchen is there today. And we'll get back to you when the thing midway. Okay? And we'll show you what's going on. Here we go now. So this part of the pudding is a midway, you know. Brooks, stop. Brooks, fire. Too much fire upon this thing, you know. It's a midway with it. As you can notice, we're midway and you know the middle of the craziness. Okay? And that's what it's all about. As you say, the pudding we do is it a bubble. So we draw all the fire from it. Yeah, make it stay on simmer. Okay, take away all the fire away from it and stay on simmer. So we say Papa Kitchen, take it, we're in a Brooks Kitchen today. And we are the pudding. Okay. So this is the part now. At this point now we're gonna throw this thing on top of this pudding. So, this is where you put the coconut milk, the brown sugar. Yeah. At this point now we draw all the fire from it. We're in a baking mode now. Okay, baking mode. Right, that's it. Alright. So the next move we make, when you take out this thing again, is when it bake. Okay. And everything bake. Okay. We'll take a look at her. So here we go. We talk about the pudding now, and here we go, people, Pat Batam style. And here we go. That's the magic right there. That's what we've been talking about. Here we go. Simple hour and a half. Our pudding is ready. Yeah. So Pat Batam kitchen. You need this type of pudding, or you think you're interested in this type of pudding that take place today. Just big up Pat Batam kitchen and tell them how going, and we lead after Mr. Brooks, the main man. Yeah, man. Everything crashed now, everything out down, and everything up. So we have dessert for the weekend, for the lockdown. So we have dessert for the lockdown right here. Here we go. Potato pudding. Yeah, man, that's how we did. Right about your burn it place, burn it kitchen. Okay? Have no fear. Burn it is here, and that's what we do inside Pat Batam kitchen. Burn it house. All right? Talk to you soon. If you like it, touch it. If you want to feel it, you gotta touch it. So touch that button, share, comments with your friends, and let's talk about it, okay? Pat Batam kitchen, all the way. Pat Batam.